How to delete single photo from multiple photos in Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, click on your post from where you want to delete a single photo. After you've clicked on the post, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find all these options pop up. Click on Edit in here. After you've clicked on Edit in here, you'll find multiple photos. As you can see, I have 4 photos right now. And to delete one of the photos, click on the bin-like option at the bottom left. Then click on Delete in here. After you've clicked on Delete, your single photo will be deleted. After that, press on tick mark at the top right corner of your screen. After you've done that, you're good to go. This is how to delete single photo from multiple photos in Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.